Hey there, are you looking to earn some extra cash using Facebook? Well, you're in luck because today I'm going to show you how to do just that. So grab a pen and paper and let's get started. The first thing you'll need to do is create a Facebook page. This will serve as your platform for promoting and selling products or services. Make sure to choose a catchy name and fill out all the necessary information. Now that you have your Facebook page, it's time to build your audience. Start by inviting your friends and family to like and follow your page. Then use Facebook's targeting tools to reach a wider audience who might be interested in what you have to offer. To keep your audience engaged and coming back for more, you'll need to create high-quality and engaging content. This could be in the form of videos, photos, or written posts. Experiment with different types of content to see what resonates best with your audience. Once you have a decent following, it's time to monetize your page. There are several ways you can do this. You can partner with brands for sponsored posts, sell your own products or services, or even become an affiliate marketer. Explore different options and find what works best for you. Building a successful Facebook business is all about building relationships with your audience. Take the time to respond to comments, messages, and reviews. Show your followers that you value their input and appreciate their support. Lastly, don't forget to analyze your Facebook page's performance and adapt your strategy accordingly. Use Facebook's analytics tools to track your reach, engagement, and conversion rates. This will help you identify what's working and what needs improvement. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to earn money with Facebook. Remember, building a successful business takes time and effort, so be patient and stay consistent. Good luck!